Ready to unlock the power of infrastructure as code with Terraform Cloud? Alright, let's dive in. First, you need to visit the Terraform Cloud website. You can usually find it with a quick web search or by typing in the address directly. Think of it as your central hub for managing all your infrastructure, a collaborative environment. Once you're at the homepage, look for the login option. It's usually located in the top right corner of the screen or in a prominent call to action on the main page. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll be presented with the login page. Here, you'll have a few options. You can sign in with your existing HashiCorp Cloud account details, your GitHub account, your GitLab account, your Google account, or with your enterprise credentials. Choose the option that aligns with how you set up your account. If you're using your HashiCorp Cloud account, enter your email address and password in their respective fields. Double check that you've typed everything correctly to avoid any login errors. If you're signing in using one of the other services, select its button and follow the prompts. You may be redirected to the respective platform to authorize access. Simply follow the instructions provided on the screen and grant Terraform Cloud the necessary permissions if requested. After entering your credentials or authorizing the service, you should be redirected to your Terraform Cloud dashboard. This is the home base for managing your Terraform configurations. Congratulations, you are now logged in and ready to manage your infrastructure. From here, you can create organizations, build workspaces, and start deploying your infrastructure as code. Anywhere, anytime. Now go forth and make some magic happen. #Terraform Cloud #IAC